A seamless animated transition transports us from the depths of an ancient ocean to a modern-day human. Why do we hiccups? Hiccups are actually a leftover behavior from when we were fish millions of years ago. And once you understand what's really happening in your body during a hiccup, you'll never look at them the same way again. That sudden jolt you feel is actually your body performing an ancient breathing pattern that helped our fish ancestors swap between breathing air and water. When you hiccup, your diaphragm contracts violently, causing you to suck in air. It's literally an evolutionary glitch that we never fully got rid of. But here's the wild part. Before that air can fully enter your lungs, your vocal cords snap shut, creating that classic hic sound. This exact same motion helped fish push water over their gills while protecting their lungs. Think about it. Have you ever noticed how hiccups have a rhythm? That's because they're controlled by a specific part of your brainstem that's been there since before we evolved legs. Even human fetuses hiccup in the womb, practicing this ancient breathing pattern. But here's where it gets really interesting. Your body has multiple ways to stop hiccups, and they all involve disrupting this primitive reflex. Holding your breath, you're forcing your diaphragm to reset. Drinking water upside down, you're confusing those ancient neural pathways. The longest recorded case of hiccups lasted 68 years. Charles Osborne started hiccuping in 1922 while weighing a hog and didn't stop until 1990. He hiccuped an estimated 430 million times during his life. Scientists have found that hiccups serve absolutely no purpose in modern humans. They're basically just a glitch in our operating system, like when your phone keeps trying to connect to a Wi-Fi network that doesn't exist anymore. What's even more fascinating is that other animals get hiccups too. Cats, dogs, and even elephants hiccup. But the animals that hiccup most similarly to humans are other mammals that evolved from the same fish ancestors we did. Some researchers believe understanding hiccups better could help us develop new treatments for breathing disorders. After all, hiccups are one of the few times we can actively observe this breathing mechanism in action.